Well, it's been a lot of work on Vagabond this morning, and testing is done. Yes, thank goodness. Um, so here you can essentially see the testing for graph. Um, I It's just a lot of code, just testing, 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 make sure it all works correctly. Something I did find is this level up. You need to make sure and scope it every time you create it for your testing because sometimes it leaks. Or not leaks, but sometimes different tests get access because it's the same global thing. And yeah, so took care of that, got that fixed. Um, the other thing I did, there we go, well, in terms of testing, is everything's passing. Yay! My tests are a little bit fatter. I test a few different things. I don't break it down into like really teeny pieces. So I tried to keep it nice and fleshed out. Where is it? There we go. So you also notice that I'm using the Babel, whatever, compiler for Mocha. So I was looking at code coverage, and I traditionally do code coverage just to make sure I'm testing appropriately, and it's not as simple as one would think because of ES6. Oh, because there's not full support in any of the engines right now. So you kind of have to do transpiling. And if you do transpiling, you lose your line numbers, and you got to set something to map the line numbers back, and then meh. So still need to get that done. And then the next thing to do is to actually start using this. So I need to sit down and design and think about Trepo in JavaScript. I just lost my voice for some reason. Think about Trepo in JavaScript and say, do we want one repository or do we want multiple repositories? Yeah, I'm not quite sure what we're going to do with that, but should be it. So there's probably another half day's worth of work on Vagabond, and then we can start working on vgraph. Yay! So should be some wrapping. I think I'm going to do Trepo in ES6 as well, because I've kind of gotten to the point where I really like promises. They do some nice flow control with the then syntax and the catches and being able to mess with all of those things. Let's see, where's remove? So remove, so I can do things like, okay, then this catch will catch anything up here, and then I do this one right here. I do this get edge, which should throw an error, and then I can catch a then, and then this then will say, okay, if it didn't error, that's actually an error. It would blow up. Otherwise, we're done. I need to go fix that. I'll fix that right after this. So that's pretty much it for today. Just a heck of a lot of testing. Over 1,000 lines of just tests, test. Going through, figuring out quarter cases, hardening things up. So that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.